Weird people, accidental collisions, your roommate's secret life, and more funny situations are waiting for you at college. Check out some awkward college situations in our new video. This is the most beautiful girl at our college. She gets a lot of attention, no matter what she does. The only downside is that she is so obsessed with herself, she can't see further than her own nose. That was a glass door, girl. There's a new guy on campus. He needs a group of friends. Let's see what we have here. Geeks, jocks, and divas. Well, all of them are weird. I'll go look for normal people. Oh, that girl at the board is making cute faces. Is she looking at me? Is she flirting? She definitely has a crush on me. I can't miss this chance. Who can make a funnier face? Look what I can do. This is my funniest face. This dude is weird. Hey, buddy, I was looking at my friend in the next row and not you. Why are you making faces? What a dummy. Well, that was awkward. The lecture was so interesting that Rosie slept through half of it. What? Is it over already? That was fast. I'm meeting the captain of the basketball team after class. Hey, loser, you have something on your forehead. Did you sleep through class again? Let's take a selfie. We need something interesting. Let's jump on 3. 1, 2. Ouch! Whoops! I think I jumped wrong. Sorry, Alex. Bye, bro. I'm headed off to visit my parents. You'll be in charge of our dorm room this weekend. We're alpha males! Yeah! I forgot my wallet. Whoops! Who would have guessed that my manly roommate has one surprising private hobby? Is this a bad time? Sorry, princess. I'll let you get back to your makeup after I take a photo. We're about to find out our test results. Buddy, you got a C. What happened? A first grader could do a better job. Unbelievable! What a loser! Guys, don't get carried away just yet. Look at your own grades first. You all got Fs, so who's a loser now? Oh, a group of handsome athletes. Turn on goddess mode. Ouch! I miscalculated. Plan B. Now he'll help me get up. Nah, I'm just getting my ball. Chill. Hey, guys, scoot over. Everyone got a seat, except me. Well, I'll have to have lunch in the bathroom again. At least my VIP cafeteria is always free. That awkward moment when you can't find your classroom on your first day of college. Whoops, sorry, bad timing. And what is this? Narnia? Where am I? Is this a portal? Somebody help me! Alex has a crush on the new girl. I need to tell her about how I feel. Better yet, I'll write her a note. She is way too far. I can't reach. Hey, Rosie, take this note. A love letter? For me? It's actually for your neighbor, not you. This is awkward. Rosie, if you want a love letter, I'm single. Call me. Well, thanks. I'm not interested. Here it is, the letter I've been waiting for. It's a reply from the college. Did I get in? I'll need a lot of courage to take a look at it, and some help from the higher powers. Pray to the holy groundhogs. May this potion bring good news into this house. Collegecus, accept us. Letter, open invitate us. Believe in yourself-us. And now, chug. May the power of Mother Nature be with you. That is, if you don't puke. Father, read me your strongest prayer. I'll need all the help I can get. Of course, my child. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. That's it. The time has come. And yes! I got in! Yay! Our next assignment is a group project. We have to split it into groups and work together. But everyone is ignoring Rosie. It seems like everyone has a role in this team. Hey, guys, does anybody have a ruler? Here it is, my time to shine. I have the best ruler ever. I can finally help my team. This project wouldn't work without me. What a nice day. Oh, goodness. What is this monster in the mirror? I need to give myself a spa day ASAP. My roommate left. Great! I can watch a horror movie with the guys. Quiet! Ah! It's so scary! Here it is! The ghost of the dorm! Relax, that's just my roommate. When you are hard at work studying, you forget to open a bottle before drinking. Kissing Sprite? Maybe it will turn into a handsome prince? Hey bro, let's play ball during break. We need to work on your pass. Fine, let the games begin. The fans are loving it. But what is this? Professor Blondie comes to the field, and she's really fit. Now I'll show you a touchdown, boys. It's Alex's birthday today. He thinks everyone will be congratulating him. Come on, at least a special greeting. Am I really not going to hear the birthday song or get a gift? Hey, Alex, here it comes. A big surprise. Hey, Alex, can you give me a marker? What? A marker and no gift? Well, thanks a lot, friends. Attention, please. We are taking a test. Well, what do I see here? Phones are not allowed in my classes. Understand? Hand in your devices. All of them. Even your third backup phone. Great! No calls during the test. You may begin. But what's ringing? Ah, that's my phone. Oh, hello, sweetheart. How are you? How's your dog? No, I'm not busy. What do you mean? Yeah, I'm at work. I can totally talk. Tell me more. Computer science class. Don't leave your computer unattended. These sneaky geeks know a few pranks. Changing the wallpaper is easy. Even a pranking noob can handle it. Haha, so funny. Thanks, girls. I look really good here. Now I'll stare at myself the whole class. Did you like our awkward college situations? Then comment below if any of them have ever happened to you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious college stories from Troom.